Hippototapus.
Wait a minute, what?
The Hippototapus. Hello and welcome again to a Gijoe show.
Yo, hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on the Expound. So, if you haven't known that person till now, then why are you even using YouTube? I'm sure you'd have known that person. If not, then let me give you an introduction. He is a YouTuber. He posts contents in English so that every people can understand. He cannot form a proper sentence and speak. So when I was just scrolling YouTube, I saw one of his videos and I actually came to know he is making number of mistakes in his videos. So I thought, okay fine, let me correct it. Let me make him a person who is kind of speaking, who can speak a good English. And I'm making this video because many people are making mistakes just like him. So in order to correct that also, I am making this video. This video is not going to be any roasting or making fun of him or something, but only for learning. So I am going to play his video in the side, but I am going to say the sentence in a correct way. So I hope he watches my video at one or the other point, maybe after 6 months, after many years. If he is watching it, please don't give me a copyright claim because I'm just doing it for learning purpose. Yes, because it just happened with the last video of Dinchak Puja and I suffered a lot. I literally spent a time in editing that video and voice overing that video, and then that video was blocked. So I had to remove that part. What else can be more than a heartbreak? So the video which I have chosen is
Who will a dinosaur ask?
Yeah, that is quite kind of not understandable as I've told you before already, but I'm going to correct it. So let's get into the video.
Last time when I make video for evolution.
Last time when I made a video, make is something which you are, you will say for the present, I am making this, or I am going to make that. So when you are saying about the past stuff, you should be like, last time when I made a video for evolution. No, it should be on evolution. So last time when I made a video on evolution.
Personality, so many people will like a video, but one personality will ask me, I don't know what.
So many personality, he said. Personality is something which you are saying for a person's character. Suppose if you're asking me what is your personality, I might say like I'm quite fun and entertaining. So instead of personality, he should say like, but one person asked me. He says one personality will ask me. That becomes a future tense. So when you are talking about past, you should always add a past tense which is asked.
Know why he will ask these questions, but who will dinosaurs?
What is dinosaurs? So who is something which you will tell for a person, right? Person, if you are watching a person, you'll be like, who is that? Who is that person? So you can't say it like for animals, like who's that dog? You should say like, what is that dinosaur? And who will dinosaur is wrong. You should say like, what is dinosaurs?
So I don't know why you are asked such a full question.
It's not why you are asked such a full question. You should say like, why did you ask such a full question?
In a evolution video, what is for a dinosaurus? But
what is dinosaurs?
then I'm think, even I make a research and I make an internet and
He says I make an internet. That is wrong. Make is something which you are producing. I made an atta. For a chapati. So you should say like, I have researched.
I remember that I already know who is the dinosaurus, where will he?
He says, I am already know. That is wrong. I already know. You will say like, I am here, I am there, I am going to go.
Just like I make a video for a cow, I'm think, okay, let us also make a video for.
I don't understand why he says cow. Maybe just like dinosaurs, he have also made a video on cow. That's what he's about to say.
Or who will a dinosaurus? He will there in the number 7. I don't remember which one, but you can see him in a Delhi zoo.
Yeah, that's correct. He's actually talking about some dinosaurs which he has seen in zoo. I don't know how dinosaurs doesn't exist. I don't know how he have seen in Delhi zoo. Okay, let's check.
Sometimes you are make a confused for a dinosaurus.
It's not sometimes you are make a confused. Sometimes you are confused, or you can say like sometimes you're confusing yourself.
And other animals who will looks just like a dinosaurus.
It's not who will looks like just dinosaurs. It's just that which just looks like dinosaurs, right? It's not, you're not pointing out any person. You're just confused with dinosaurs and other animals, which is.
So this animals, his name will a hippototapus.
Wait a minute, what?
The hippototapus.
It's hippopotamus. Yeah.
And a dinosaurus.
Okay, so he just means that we are confused with these two animals, which is dinosaurs and hippopotamus.
Will looks like a same, but
it looks similar, just like dinosaur. Hippopotamus looks like dinosaur.
And the dinosaurus, he will looks like this.
It's not he will looks like. You're not pointing out any person. You just have to say that dinosaur will.
The dinosaurus, he will looks like this.
What? No. What? No. What? Okay, then I did not know it. I thought it was dinosaur, but it is rhinoceros. It's rhinoceros. I thought it was dinosaurs. How is it even possible?
But a dinosaurus have got a same ear like for a hippototapus. So now.
So rhinoceros have a similar ear just like hippopotamus, whereas elephant has a long ears.
You are known what a difference between a hippototapus, a elephant, and a dinosaurus.
So now you know what is the difference between hippopotamus and rhinoceros. Yes. So guys, I hope you watched this video till the end. Thank you so much. I hope you understood what all the mistakes which most of the people are making, and also I hope you understood what is said in the video also. And I hope Gijoe show sir, it's not anything to hurt him or something. It's just the way to learn. I hope you will also improve after watching this video maybe. And finally, it's not to hurt anybody, just to learn from that. Thank you so much. Share this video with someone who really want to know about the mistakes which they are making and about what is exactly said in the video also, if they want to know. And tell me what you felt about this video in the comment section now. Until the next